AST SpaceMobile's profile is improving with the planned launch of its first 5 commercial satellites in the first half of September. That is September of this year, 2024, according to UBS. AST SpaceMobile was granted an initial license by the FCC earlier this month for space-based cellular broadband operations in the US, following the completion of production and environmental testing of the first 5 Bluebird satellites. So they still see AST SpaceMobile as a high-risk, high-reward investment, and they noted that initial US regulatory approval. They noted that the initial US regulatory approval, the imminent launch of its first 5 commercial satellites, and the partner/funding progress added to their conviction that indeed the company or the stock is high risk and definitely will definitely yield high rewards. You have equally seen that this is what you're watching right now is what happened of late, what happened in this trading session as today the 15th of August 2024. Okay, so the firm called FCC's approval of the initial space-based operations for the satellites a key step. Okay, so they continue to view the upcoming launch of the satellites as a key catalyst for providing proof of concept for both AST's tech and commercial path. So yes, the stock has continued to defy odds. As I said earlier on, this is a replay of its 1-minute chart of what happened in this session today, the 15th of August 2024. So we're going to pause that now and rather complete that and come back to what's going on right now. This is what's going on right now live. It's up 53%. Let's see, up 53%. Let's see whether we can see what's going on. Okay, let's see what's going on with it. ASTS. Let's see what's going on live right now. Printed into an intraday high of $33.58. Currently, right on its the lower line of its price signal. It may indicate that some strength is going to come back into the stock. So we are looking at 31.95. By the time we come back to it, it may be higher than that, 31.95. Okay. So coming back to what's going on right now, we can see we have an upper projection of 33.95. Let's go to 2-minute chart, 33.95. Let's see. We have 34.66. 34.66, the highest upper projection we have on the 2-minute chart. On the 3-minute chart, we have 34.66. Okay, let's look at there are indeed downward projections as well. There's 29.65. Let's look at the 5-minute and see. The most upper projection here is 34.7. We have 31.75, 30.65. It's the downward, the lowest projection on the 5-minute chart. Let's go to 10-minute chart and see. Okay, it's trading at a huge premium to all of its projections. So the Fibonacci projections here have not been recalculated. They're still maintaining $24. This time around, it's a downward projection, $24, 24.4. What are the odds that we're going to see anything here on the 45-minute? Okay, we're not seeing anything. Yeah, not seeing anything on the 45-minute chart. I don't think we're going to see any upper projection on the 1-hour chart. Yeah, nothing there. 2-hour, I don't think we're going to see anything. Nothing as well. What are the odds that we're going to see anything on the 4-hour chart? Nothing there as well. Oh yes, there is something. but it's just right on it. It's 31.57. Okay, let's come back. So it's okay, yeah. Okay, it hasn't gone up. So, but it's right now. It's right outside of its price channel. Some correction coming in here. I think scalpers will definitely see this as a buying opportunity. Yeah, it's trading outside of its price channel. A good opportunity to get involved is right in front of us here. Let's see. I might just give it a try. And take two take 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 two buy two lots. What am I buying? Just buying two shares. I'm buying two shares. Review. And what's okay? I'm in. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to see what I can take advantage of this dip here. I want it to come back into this price channel, and then I might probably sell. Let's see. It's gradually coming back. Is it going to print higher? Is it going to come in there sufficiently into this price channel? But all in all, this fundamentally, the company has continued to do well fundamentally. It's doing well fundamentally. So there's really nothing to fear as well. There's really nothing to fear. Yeah. Let's see whether it's going to sufficiently come back into its price channel. It's just right on its price channel now. 51. Okay, I bought at 31.26. At 1.26. I'm still slightly in the money. Just not a lot. Okay, it's now going negative for me now. Yeah, fundamentally, there's nothing wrong with this company. High risk, high reward. Yeah, market participants are taking their money off the stock, it seems. But there's it should, especially on this 1 minute chart, it should come back into its price channel. Let's have a look at its this is 3 minute chart. Let's see. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go further all the way. Look at it. Let's look at a high interval model here. We have the 4-hour chart. So as things stand right now, it's trading significantly outside of its right outside of its price channel as things stand right now on this 4-hour chart. Let's come back to the 1 minute chart and see what we it's improving. It's improving. We want to see it come back sufficiently inside. Just this tiny gain of 20 not up to $1 in as things stand right now. We want to see it. It's right inside the channel now. Let's see whether we can get higher prices before we take our money out. At 1.62. At 1.60. coming back in, got the resistance at one of its moving averages. This one of these moving averages, that's where that resistance is. It's a primary, now it's serving as a primary supply line. I think that's the 10-period moving average on this 1-minute chart, serving as a primary supply line. Each time it gets there, so more shares are supplied, are made available in the market, and weakness comes in. It's just trading right around that 10-period moving average. I think let's get a price of that moving average. It's 31.56. That's where supply comes in. It's been coming in for some time, just right around there, $31.56. Let's see, at 1.64. Are we going to get anything higher? We're counting down to the close of today's session. Okay. Let's see. Okay, taking money out. Made a tiny gain, tiny profit. You only traded not a lot of money. Yeah. Just see what you make of AST stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.